Hi everyone, we're going to find the missing terms of each arithmetic sequence, and it's also known as the arithmetic mean. So these are the two problems we're going to do, and we're going to use this formula here, arithmetic sequence formula, and we're going to find the D. So if I look at this one, I need to know the number of terms, the first term and the last term. I have the last term. So a sub n is known as the last term, and that's going to be 28. Since I don't have the first term, I can't have two unknowns. So what I'm going to do is treat this as 4 terms and treat 49 as my first term. Because all we're looking for is the common difference, so it doesn't really matter where we start because it's common. So let's use our formula. We have 28 equals 49 plus 4 minus 1 times D. Now we're going to subtract 49 from 28. So let's subtract 49 from both sides. So we get 28. I'll make sure I do this correctly. I always make little boo-boos. So that goes away. So we're going to have negative 21 equals 3D. And therefore, D equals negative 7. So all we're going to do for our sequence is start with our 49 and keep subtracting 7. So if you start with 49 and you keep subtracting 7, you get 42, subtract 7, you get 35, subtract 7, and you're going to get 28. Now for this one, we have to add 7. So 49 plus 7 would give me 56. So that would show you that the common difference is negative 7. Okay. Now the reason it's called arithmetic mean is you can take any of these two numbers here and add them up, and you should get the middle term. So you're taking the average of the two. If I take the average of 56 and 42 and divide by 2, I should get 49. So when I add these two numbers up, I get 98 divided by 2, which does give me 49. And you can do it with any of these. All right, and the last problem, I'm going to do the same thing. I have a total of 6 terms, but I don't have a last term or a first term. So I'm just going to treat the sequence right now like that. So in that case, my number of terms is 4. My first term is negative 6, and my last term is negative 3. And use my formula to find my common difference. So we have negative 3 equals negative 6 plus 4 minus 1 times D. Add 6 to both sides. You get 3 equals 3D. So D equals 1. Now, it should be negative 1. So you keep adding 1, you get negative 5, negative 4, and you keep adding 1, you get negative 2, and here's where you subtract 1 and get negative 7. So this one's a pretty easy one. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.